How to fill Omnipod 5 with insulin pod priming and setup instructions. How to fill Omnipod 5 with insulin. Requirements: Omnipod 5 pod unopened, Omnipod 5 fill syringe and needle, provided in the pod kit, rapid-acting U100 insulin, G. Humalog, Novolog, Admalog, alcohol prep swab Omnipod 5 controller or compatible smartphone with the Omnipod 5 app. Step 1. Prepare the syringe. Remove the fill syringe and needle from the pod's tray. Twist the needle clockwise onto the syringe. Remove the protective cap from the needle. Fill the syringe. Draw air into the syringe equal to the amount of insulin you plan to use. Insert the needle into the insulin vial and inject the air. Invert the vial and syringe, then slowly withdraw the insulin. Tap or flick the syringe to remove any air bubbles. Step 3. Fill the pod. Remove the needle from the vial and insert it straight into the pod's fill port, indicated by an arrow on the white paper backing. Slowly push the plunger to inject the insulin into the pod. The pod will beep twice to confirm it's ready. Step 4. Activate the pod. Place the filled pod in its tray next to the controller or smartphone. On the controller or in the Omnipod 5 app, tap Next. The system will perform safety checks and automatically prime the pod.